Over the next few minutes, I will be revealing to you top 9 best foods for repairing the liver. The foods are natural ingredients you can find in the kitchen. Make sure to watch until the end. If you are new here, consider subscribing to our channel so that you won't miss other interesting videos like this, and you will also be notified whenever we upload a new video. Green leafy vegetables are one of the best foods for taking care of our liver. In general, bitter-tasting vegetables cleanse the liver and blood. The liver is one of the essential organs to take care of. This is why a good diet is essential to preserve your liver. If you have liver problems or just want to keep this part of your body healthy, here are some foods that will help repair your liver. 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the healthiest foods we can find because, in addition to helping us flush out toxins, it contains many substances to help your liver. It contains, among other things, selenium, one of the essential minerals that enhance the effect of antioxidants on our body. Also, garlic is rich in an amino acid called arginine, yet important for the relaxation of blood vessels and therefore for the reduction of the pressure that ends up exerted on the liver. Finally, garlic is some food rich in vitamin B6, which has an anti-inflammatory effect, and vitamin C, which protects the body from oxidation and cell damage. 2. Olive oil. One of the other liver-healthy products is olive oil. When consumed in moderation, it provides a base of lipids that serve to absorb harmful toxins found in the body and help it function better. 3. Green leafy vegetables. Leafy green vegetables, in general, are all great for preserving your liver. These types of vegetables neutralize heavy metals, as well as chemicals and pesticides that may be present in food. Do not miss the opportunity to introduce into your diet foods such as arugula, spinach, or chicory. These will increase the production of bile and thus allow you to better eliminate waste from the body. Beet greens also help you naturally purify your blood by increasing the efficiency of liver function. 4. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, especially catechins, organic substances from the group of flavonoids that help protect the body. To benefit from its benefits, you only need to consume 1 cup per day. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a fruit high in vitamin C and glutathione. Glutathione is involved in various body processes, such as tissue development and repair, as well as the production of certain chemicals and proteins. Thanks to this element, we also promote the strengthening of the immune system. 6. Nuts. Nuts are rich in arginine, just like garlic. They are also rich in glutathione, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and unsaturated fats. Glutathione and fatty acids help maintain the detoxifying functions of the liver. Antioxidants and healthy fats are great for preserving your liver. 7. Apples. Apples are some fruit rich in pectin, a substance necessary to protect the body and remove toxins from the digestive tract. Thanks to them, you will be able to help your body to function properly and reduce its load of toxins. 8. Turmeric. Turmeric contains an active substance, curcumin. It is an excellent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Also, it promotes the production of bile, improves its flow, and acts as a liver purifier. Turmeric rejuvenates liver cells and neutralizes toxins and harmful alcohol compounds, among others. To benefit from this substance, it is recommended that you introduce it to your diet. Start by adding a small pinch of it as a spice in your dishes. 9. Lemon and lime. Lemon and lime are citrus fruits rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which promote the purification of toxins. Drinking freshly squeezed lemon or lime juice stimulates healthy liver function and helps us start the day right. Take it on an empty stomach every day. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you enjoyed watching this video, give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, comment below and let us know what you think, and also hit the subscribe button never to miss any updates from us. More amazing secrets and tips will keep coming. Join us on the healthy side of life. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have hand-picked for you to enjoy next. Stay healthy.